The Shasta County Board of Supervisors today voted unanimously to look further into so-called chemtrails. Earlier today, they heard formal input regarding what some say are millions of tons of toxic poisons released by planes as part of a government plot to affect climate change.
And the chambers were filled with bystanders as a dozen expert speakers addressed the board. Action News Now reporter Charlene Cheng has more now from the meeting.
This is an issue that should supersede all other concerns for the fact that if you can't go outside and breathe without sucking this stuff in, we all know everybody's concerned about air pollution, air quality, but what if we now know that there's a massive component of air pollution that's not being reported?
That's a message heard loud and clear at the Shasta County Board of Supervisors meeting. Expert speakers were invited to address the board on so-called chemtrails, what some people believe to be a part of a government plot to slow global warming. Hundreds of people showed up to make their voices heard, traveling from places like Oregon, Wyoming, and even Spain.
I want to tell you that we're in very great danger from the pollution that's coming down over us. And we've been led astray by the military-industrial complex.
Chemtrails is a term referring to the visible trail left by aircraft in the sky. Believers say that this shows that the government is releasing dangerous chemicals. Activists prefer the term geoengineering. They say it puts poison in the soil and water, increases the level of UV radiation, destroys the ozone layer, and makes people very sick.
The last time it rained, my kidney failed. Okay, it literally threatened my life. It very coincidentally all started with the rain, and the rain's coming down through those chemtrails.
Chemtrails are largely dismissed in the scientific community as condensation trails, which form when engine exhaust meets extremely cold air. But activists say that this is one issue that can't be ignored any longer.
What did you do while the earth was unraveling? What did you do once you knew? And I ask you to show the courage that these people have all around the world.
In Reading, Charlene Cheng, Action News Now.
Well, it doesn't stop here. The activist groups say that they will continue toward the state and federal levels. They have hopes that California will be the first state to file for control over regulating